Right. And so with AI automating significant portions of the sales roles, what is going to remain uniquely human in sales? What do you think?
So the way we see it is that a good portion of the sales, we've done a lot of research with Gartner and others as well, and a good portion of the sales process will be, reimagined in a digital context. So not only product-led growth with people downloading solutions, using them, getting familiar with them, but also, doing a lot of the research, trying a lot of the AI capability that they'll have. So when they start to engage the sales teams, it'll be a lot about proving the value and understanding the specific business problem that they have. So, tapping into the sales team's more EQ area of ensuring that they can spend time understanding the customer in the context of their industry and the specific persona challenges within the company that they're trying to sell to. This takes time, and they don't have a lot of time, salespeople, because they're busy doing what I would consider non-value added work and trying to get to all the data they need to get to make decisions. So, any time that we can save through the use of AI uh, and an AI platform, a sales automation platform like Aviso, is giving time back for my team to understand their customers more, which will ultimately differentiate them in front of the competition.